What? Boss just asked me to finish the client report and the monthly sales dashboard in just an hour. That's impossible. I'm not a robot.
You're taking too much of stress. Let me show you how I do it. There we go, your report.
What? In just 2 minutes?
Yes? Now watch me do your dashboard. It's done.
Wow, that's unbelievable, yeah? How did you do it?
By using AI and ChatGPT, which makes my work go 10x faster and with 100% accuracy by automating my entire work.
Wow, that's unbelievable. Where did you learn all this?
In the 3-hour Excel automation using AI workshop by Office Master.
If you also want to automate 90% of your routine tasks like organizing raw data, performing complex calculations and data analysis, making amazing reports and presentations, and the best part, finishing hours of work in just 10 to 15 minutes. Register now and block your seats at just ₹99.